Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: a linked Git repo, appropriate permissions, and Synapse Studio access. Once verified, open Synapse Studio and go straight to the Develop Hub to avoid context switching. Next, click the repository branch selector in the top left to inspect current branches and active workspace branch. Make sure you're on the branch you want to branch from. This avoids accidental divergence. If everything looks correct, you're ready to create the new branch and capture the current workspace state. You now create the branch. Click New Branch from the branch selector, enter a concise, descriptive name, and choose the correct base branch so history stays clean. If prompted, include current workspace changes to persist your ongoing work into the branch. Optionally assign reviewers or branch policies now to enforce protections. Once created, Synapse will switch your workspace to the new branch, verify files and pipelines reflect expected changes. If not, refresh the Develop view and confirm the branch context. Finish by validating the branch. Run a sample pipeline or check linked service connections to ensure runtime compatibility. Then commit and push any unsaved workspace changes. Make sure commit messages are clear. Once pushed, create a pull request if you need review or plan to merge back. If things go wrong, first check repository access and branch permissions, then resolve sync conflicts or clear the Synapse workspace cache. You'll want to communicate fixes to collaborators before final merge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.